up, everybody? I am back here on the channel to give you an update on how the Prelude has been doing, because a lot of you guys have seen me at the dyno. Months have gone by and I've been really busy, but I finally have been able to do some work on the Prelude. As you know, I went to the dyno twice. I was not able to make the power that I really wanted to, and I believe I figured out that reason. I had this Greddy blow-off valve on the car, which was leaking at random times. So that was metering off boost and not allowing me to, make the power that I wanted to. So after leaving the dyno and figuring that out in my garage, I decided to buy a Q50 tile blow-off valve, and I put that on there right there. And it came with an 11-pound waste ring. And that created the next issue, which was I was having all kinds of turbo surge. Now, at the dyno, I wasn't running a filter, and at that point I had put a filter on, and I thought that the restriction of the filter was causing turbo surge, which can happen on certain people's builds, or if the filter's too small. So I went and took the filter off, drove around, still had the same problem. So then I decided to chop the Dr. Seuss piping that came. It was kind of like a trap, like a J. Chop that off, so you literally can see the turbine when the car is running, or the compressor wheel rather. So now that that was not an issue and I was still having turbo surge, it pretty much dictated that my wastegate spring was too heavy. So I changed the wastegate spring. I upgraded this line here, this vacuum line, to a larger line just in case that was too restrictive as well. And going from an 11-pound spring to a 6-pound spring was night and day. Now that I have the wastegate spring in there and these boost leaks tidied up and the blow-off valve on there, this thing feels like twice as fast. Now granted, my air-fuel ratio on the car was not correct, just because when you tidy up boost leaks, you're gonna have more air than fuel. So I was hitting protection on every gear except for second. Man, when I was getting into second gear, it was just spinning. You guys will see. But I just want to put a clip in here for people that are trying to, track down these blow-off valve issues, as well as see the progress with the Prelude. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe. My goal this year, my New Year's resolution, is to hit 1K subscribers. So please help me. It would be greatly appreciated, and it's just nice to know that there's people out there watching and caring and continuing to want to hear from me. So hope you guys are all doing well. If you have any questions, hit me down in the comments, but until then, later guys. Blow-off valve spring in, a 6-pound instead of 11 pounds, so let's see if the turbo surge is gone. I'd say a lot better. Spinning the whole way out. Nuts.